Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the mount accessible and safe. Park the scooter level, turn the key off, and use the center stand so the handlebars don't move. Remove protective covers and wipe the area clean so you can see fasteners and damage. Identify whether the holder is a clamp, screw-on stem, or adhesive pad. This determines your repair path. Once done, lay out a Phillips #2, a 10 mm wrench, medium thread locker, extra screws, and zip ties so you won't interrupt the repair. Next, focus on the structural fix. First, tighten existing bolts evenly so the clamp closes without skewing. Don't over-tighten or you'll strip threads. If screws are stripped, swap to slightly longer M4, M6 screws or fit brass thread inserts to restore grip. For adhesive mounts, clean surfaces with isopropyl, then replace the pad or add a silicone adhesive layer and clamp overnight. Use medium thread locker on metal fasteners, and secure loose wiring and cables with zip ties to prevent vibration while riding. Finish by adjusting the phone angle and tightening the last clamp so the device sits secure but accessible. Hand test by applying firm pressure and simulate bumps with your palm. Then go for a short, slow ride of 1 to 2 kilometers to confirm stability. If you feel wobble, insert thin rubber shims or foam washers between metal parts to damp vibration and retorque bolts. If instability persists despite these fixes, replace the whole mount and note screw sizes and clamp type for a clean, long-term repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.